Hope you are staying at home, staying safe, and doing whatever is necessary in these circumstances. Now, today's video I had to shoot yesterday because after the amazing shakshuka we had for our Mother's Day meal, I wanted a cake. So I baked this after we had the lunch. I baked this so that we could have it in the evening. Going to start with 200 grams of unsalted softened butter, 200 grams of caster sugar, 200 grams of self-raising flour. Here I have got 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of instant coffee powder, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of boiling water to this. Next I will add 4 large eggs to this mix. I have got a rectangle tray, not very deep, and it's around 20 by 30 centimeter size, and I'm just going to grease it. Now I genuinely cannot find any baking paper anywhere right now. It's all out of stock, sold out. I don't know why people are panic buying baking paper. Anyway, so I'm just going to grease it nicely so the cake comes out easily. And to the cake mix, I'm going to add a good handful of walnuts and chop it finely. These chopped walnuts will go into the cake mix, and I'll just mix it up quickly. And that's it. I don't want to over mix the cake batter. I have mixed it for 2 minutes in total. Now this lovely mixture is going to go into our tray. And I've got the oven on at 180°C, and I'm going to put this in the oven for around 30 to 35 minutes, and I'm going to check it then. Cake is in the oven, and while it's baking, I have got here 100 ml of double cream, which I'm just going to bring to a boil, and also 50 grams of dark chocolate, and I'm going to make a quick ganache because I want the ganache to cool down, and the cake's baking, the ganache can cool down on the side. Almost coming to a boil, and I'll turn the heat off and pour this over the chocolate. This looks pretty good. I'm just going to check. Yep, all clear, and you can see that it started to leave from the sides, which is another sign that the cake is ready. The cake has cooled down really nicely. The chocolate ganache has cooled down. It's almost set, which is lovely. And here I've got 200 ml of double cream, and to this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, and now whisk it to the right consistency. Okay, so obviously because I didn't have any baking paper, I had to just use some butter to grease it, and I'm hoping that it is going to, oh yeah, it is going to actually slide out. Yay, it did. Okay, turn this. Oh, smells so good. Right, this cream is looking good, and before I whisk it completely, I'm going to add some of this lovely chocolate ganache into the cream. So I'm going to get the cream, not get it fully whisked, because I'm going to add this chocolate ganache, which is really nicely thickened. So I'm going to take this dollop, and then come close, look. And then I'm going to whisk it with that chocolate ganache. Yes. Now you're talking. Look. So look at the cream consistency. It's lovely. Look. Now, whatever is left, don't waste. I'm just going to swirl it in. So I'm going to just swirl it in, so it's got some swirls like that. And now it will go on the cake. Oh, nice. Oh dear God, this is gonna be good. Sorry, I'm filming in the night because it's still Mother's Day, and I thought I'll treat myself, and I wanted to make a cake which the kids love, and it's the coffee cake. So I thought we'll end Mother's Day with a nice slice of cake. Oh my God, look at this. Okay, and finish it with just some chopped walnuts. And there you go. Right, time to tuck in. I'm not going to waste any more time, and I'm going to get a nice fat slice. Look! There's no nice way to eat it. Love, you're gonna love it. Come in. Come, have a slice. Come on, come on. Taste and tell me how it is. Good. Yeah? You want a slice? You do? Can I get a hug?
No.
No slice for you. No slice for you. Oh. I hope you're going to give this a go, and I hope you have got all the ingredients to try this. Don't forget to come back tomorrow, and I will be making another stove cover ingredient recipe that you can enjoy with your loved ones. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and I love to hear from you. So please leave a comment and like this video. Bye for now.